guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and hello if you are new. I have brought to you guys this beat that I have did, this glam with colors. It's a bit of a glitter look, so I've been wanting to try out more colors lately, and this is what I have came up with, and I hope you guys like it. And if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching, and let's get into the video. So first, I'm going to start off with setting my eyes since my eyebrows were already done off camera. So first, I'm going to go in with my Zulu by Juvia's palette and take this purple shade right here, and I'm going to put it right into my crease, like. Now above that purple, I'm going to take the orange that's in this and pack it right above the purple. I'm going to go in with the yellow that's right here in the middle. So the yellow is going to go right above the orange. And then now we're going to backtrack. After the yellow, we're going to go back in with the orange and place the orange back. Now we're going to go back into the purple and put it right back. So I cleaned off the brush. I'm just going to blend them all together. So I'm going to do the other eye and then come right back. Okay, so both eyes are at the same step. And now I'm going to go in with cutting the crease. I'm going to take my LA Girl concealer in Toffee and cut the crease. But wait till y'all see where we going with this. Wait till y'all see. I just wanted to do colors. Like, I'm going to cut the other eye right now. So I realized that I'm not going to set the concealer after I carved it because it's not letting the color stick. So yes, I'm going in with the blue that's in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm paling it onto the eye. I am going to take this black. I'm going to make sure everything blends after. I'm going to go in with the green that's in the Zulu palette. I'm going to go in with the green that's in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It's not really much so of a white, but it's like a white. It's like an eggshell or off-white. I'm going to place it in the inner corner. I found another white shade from another BH Cosmetics palette I have. Okay, I'm gonna go do the other eye just so we can be on the same step. Okay, I have both eyes at the same step now. And I'm gonna go in with this iridescent glitter type that I have. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. Like that over my eye with my finger. So when I apply it, it sticks more. All right. It was a lot going on. I had to like really figure it out. So now I'm gonna take my black liner. I think we're doing pretty good. So I have both eyes done. And I'm feeling pretty good about it. I'm about to put my lashes on. No, something always look different when lashes are on. Okay, I'm gonna go in with these. So here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna take my lash glue. I don't think these lashes is like enough for me. Like I need boom. No, yeah. I'm gonna go in with my other volume lashes. And these are they talk to me like I need you to see me flying. Like I already have big eyes, so I need boom lashes. I already know these is it. I should have went with my first thought anyway. So nope, nope, nope. So now we're gonna try this again. Uh, uh, uh. So now your girl flying. Since we're done up here, I'm gonna go in with my foundation in spicy brown. And y'all know this is the only foundation I use. Let me get my brush. Foundation on. Time to slap some concealer on. I stay dancing, bro. Always doing weird shit. But I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna smudge the concealer out. I'm gonna take my damn beauty blender. Now we're gonna go in with our contour. Y'all remember the pressed powder that I was using? Well, it broke. I think this is just God telling me stop being cheap, buy a whole bunch of new makeup, and get busy. But yeah, going with my pressed powder. Push it up there, smudge, smudge, smudge. Alright, so now we're gonna go on this glitter in my top. I'm gonna take my beauty blender that's used for my setting powder. So this is what I have came up with. Y'all know I don't leave my setting powder on for too long, so my infamous highlight, y'all know, gotta come through with the highlight. I'm gonna go in with my under eye. Under eye looking pretty cute, girl. Now I'm gonna go in with my spray. I hate when I get makeup on my shirt. And this is running. Okay. So I'm really feeling it. And I hope you guys like it. I've been gone for some time, but I'm back now. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And catch you in the next video.